Welcome all. First, let's discuss what is the plan for this 3rd March and 4th March event, where we are going to use 6 virtual state manager. Myself, Anjali, Rupa, Nandini, Shruti, and Kishore. And Suganya, you can let me know your availability based on that. If somewhere needed, you can be a backup person for any of those 2 days or both the days, or you can be trainee as well. That's completely based on you. As of now, I'm keeping Kishore in mind. And again, based on Kishore's internet connection, all those things we need to test today and tomorrow. If everything is okay, then Kishore will do this, or else we need to see. I need to check with the Airmeet if they can give me one additional backup, because we will not be there to support. All 6 of us will be in different session. So everyone's internet and everything should be clear. So that's the reason today we are having the call. So by tomorrow we can take final decision. And already you would have been seeing client group, so many messages are going, but that is another group, knowledge graph. That event is immediately after this. This is on 3rd and 4th. And forget about 5 and 10. The reason date 5 is that is 4th minute. Shruti, can you click on May 4th? Scroll down, go fast, go to the bottom. The last should be somewhere between 11, little up. Sessions. Go up. It will show the timing in the left. Stop there. So it is 11:15 p.m. to 12:15 a.m. So next session will be from 12:30 to 1:30 or something. That is the reason it's showing May 5 in the top. So which means it is a May 4th event. It's not separately on May 5th. It's a continuation. So event is on May 3rd and 4th only. May 10th is it was created just for dress rehearsal 2 days back. Don't worry about that. That will be deleted. So event is on May 3rd and 4th. It starts from 7:15 p.m. our time and it ends by 1:30 a.m. Can you scroll a little down, Shruti? 1:30 a.m. After that, let's see what is the timing. Okay, up. You crossed. So it's second day. 9:45 p.m. and 8:45 second day. Little up. Okay, one more up. 7:30 p.m. This is second day starting. Okay, so second day starts at 7:30. Little more up so that we know what is the end time of first day. That's at 1:30 a.m. So which means 7:15 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. is the event timing. So as of now, Anjali, Shruti has already given their confirmation. They are available and Rupa is also available. கிஷோர் இந்த கால் முடியத்துக்குள்ள நீ எல்லாமே இந்த டவுட்ஸ்லாம் கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் உன்னோட அவைலபிலிட்டியும் நீ கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம். நீ அவைலபிளாக இருக்கணும், உன்னோட இன்டர்நெட் அவைலபிளாக இருக்கணும். இது எல்லாமே என்னட்டு நீ முடிச்சிட்டு இருப்பேன்னுலாம். ஸோ நவ் லெட் ஸ்டார்ட் தி அஜெண்டா டிஸ்கஷன். கோ டு May 3rd. So I'll tell you exactly what is the plan. 7:15 to 7:30 start ஆகும். Either myself or Anjali will be the main MC. So single MC அப்படின்ற இடத்துல either myself or Anjali or maybe Shruti யாராவது ஒருத்தர் இருப்போம். So 7:15 to 7:30 we don't need second MC. Next 7:30 to 8:30 is the opening keynote. Scroll a little more down. அங்கேயும் வேற யாரும் தேவையில்லை. So ideally starting from 7:15 to 8:30 we don't need any other MC. From 8:30 all are parallel sessions. So 8:30 to 9:45 பார்த்தா first we have a collision. Wait. I'll tell then scroll. We have a collision now what? Recursion. So என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா இங்க ஆரம்பிச்சு there are 6 parallel sessions. So what we will be doing is all 6 of us will be in different backstage. For example, as soon as 8:30 session is over, I will join the backstage. But you people will join before that. 8:15 you will be joining all of the session backstage, remaining 5 session. Okay, welcome Rupa. Let her connect the audio. Okay, Rupa, இப்பதான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Try to understand. Okay, go little up, Shruti. So okay, Rupa, on 3rd May, first session either myself, Anjali or Shruti will take care 7:15 to 7:30, and second session 7:30 to 8:30 also one of us will take care. Inga varaikum one MC da, and by 8:45 we are starting 6 parallel MC. So which means over is the MC for the first 2 sessions. 8:30 ku mudichana will come the backstage. All other 5 MCs by 8:15 is your reporting time. You have to be in your respective backstage. Little down, Shruti. Go to next 2 agenda. Yeah. So one of you, for example, if I'm in the main session, so Anjali will be in, we have a collision. It'll only 8:15, she'll report there. So Rick will join once audio. What are the things to be tested there? You will talk to the speaker, tell him, ask him to turn on the video, audio. You'll check everything. Then you will ask him if he has any screen share. Then you'll tell him where is the chat window. Ellame already speakers ku theriyum. Illanal you will say once. You tell them, and then you will tell them, okay, now one more session is going on. We will start this session at 8:45 p.m. So now you can relax. So most of the time, what I see 8:15 வந்துட்டாங்கன்னா by 8:20 itself our testing everything is over. But just because it is silent, we keep talking to the client or talking to the speaker. I don't want that to happen. As much as possible, let's keep the communication minimum. So once everything is tested, you can turn off your video and tell the speaker, sir, everything is tested, now you can relax. I will be available in the backstage. If you want, you can be here. If you want to move around, you can move around. You can join back again 10 minutes before the event. Example, inga irukadhu Indian time. உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸல்ல கொடுத்துருவோம். I'll show you the Eastern Standard Time also. You'll always talk to the client in terms of their time. Don't tell our time. They'll get confused. So இது 8:45 அப்படின்னா அவங்க டைம் வந்து இட்ஸ் CDT நினைக்கிறேன் 7:15 something approximately. I'll say the exact time later. Consider 7:15 அப்படின்னா I'll tell them, sir, please come back by 7:05. Everything is tested. Even you can come 5 minutes before. Again, I will join here. We'll have the final testing and we'll start. அவ்வளவுதான். அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா அதோட you are relaxed. In the meantime, any of the organizer may come. Organizer may be keep on moving, like அதுல வந்து Jason இருக்காங்க, there are few more. They may come and check if everything is all okay. Sometimes maybe I may come or one of us may come and check. Nothing to worry. வந்தாங்கன்னா everything is tested. இல்லைன்னா நீங்க டெஸ்ட் பண்ண உடனே குரூப்ல ஒரு மெசேஜ், you can put a message in group, all tested, speaker has joined, all tested, speaker is relaxing now. அவ்வளவுதான் போட்டிங்கன்னா no one will question you after that. After that, just 5 minutes before the event, everyone will be again be in your backstage. Then once we give the green signal in the group, we can start the session on it. Everyone will start at the same time, or sometimes maybe we'll start one after another. We'll say, okay, first let's start the session one. Once session one is started, then within 1 minute session two. Mostly all of us will start in the same time. So that's it. So Rick goes in. So second session, next courageous cultivation group, I will be there. I'll tell you exactly who is going to be in which session. As of now, I'm just giving the tentative thing. Okay, next Shruti. So one is Anjali, next is Rupa. So building resilience would be Kishore. Next one. Breaking bad behaviors will be Nandini. And family law basics, who else is left out? Shruti. Okay, and one more, 6. Okay, go up. One is me. Okay, I'll start from the last is me. So all the 6 are there. So totally maximum 6 session. So 8:45 to 9:30 or 9:30 or 9:45. 9:45. So 1 hour. So our main work is at 8:15 to 8:45 in the backstage. Once we start the main session, not much work. All you need to do is just keep monitoring. Anga vandu even speaker will not call you because we'll be hiding. If at all speaker gets disconnected, these things I'll discuss with the client and tell you. If speaker gets disconnected, what happens? What should you do? These are the basic things we should know. We should not come on the stage. We should not turn on the video. We should not turn on the audio. Hidden mode la dhaan irukum. Speaker gets disconnected. Usually there will be second moderator or someone or MC will be stage. But here since only one person, we are not sure if they are going to give one host from their side. If they are giving, then no problem. Illanna, I'll clarify with the client. If something happens to the speaker, what should we do? Should we call any of you onto the stage so that you can handle it? Then I will ask them for any buffer video which can be played. So scroll down, check any session, it has 2 speakers or not. Ellame one down. Very good. So 8:45 to 9:45, it's pretty cool. No issues at all. Now scroll next one. Next is 10:30. So 9:45 to 10:30, again a break. That I think that should be lunch break or something for them. Whatever, 45 minutes, we don't have any work. Then again 10:30 to 11, go to the next session. Again 11:15 up. 10:30 to 11 also, wait, go up. 10:30 to 11 also no event. So which means starting from 9:45 to 11 o'clock, 1 hour 15 minutes completely break. Again, you people can relax. Even though all 6 of us are going to be there for full event, in the 1 hour do any other work you want to do, but at the same time, if somewhere we call you, be ready to come. Mostly we will not call unless I put 11:15 event next in the mood. By 10:45 you can come back. So 9:45 and the event till 10:45 I will not disturb you. Anyway, myself, either Anjali, myself, or Shruti, any one of us, we are completely there. But others, you can relax. Or if you want to be there, be there. No compulsion that you have to leave. Okay, next, 11:15 Kapala. Scroll down, let's see how many sessions. Okay. Here again, youth voice panel 1. There are 2 speaker, partnering 2 speaker, 2 sessions. Next, addressing 3rd session. 1 speaker only. 4th, understanding and breaking the silence. Next one. 5th, high risk. Scroll down, 6 compassion. Okay, little more. Okay, perfect. 6 session. Because sometimes they may ask only 4 virtual manager. So again, this session. So what is the timing of this? 11:30. 11:30 to 12:15. 11:15 to 12:15. That's it. Again, same thing. 1 hour. So here, some of the sessions has 2 speakers, 3 speakers. Some of the sessions has 1 speaker. I'll allot the resource accordingly. யாருக்காவது internet problem நிறைய இருக்கு அப்படின்னா I will allot you only 1 speaker. ஏன்னா அந்த spotlighting available. But if there are 2, 3 spaces. Kayla Powell. Okay, fine. We'll check that. Why is that? That's a good catch. We'll check that.
Name is Kayla Powell.
We'll check. Actually, that is a different speaker, but name is showing different. We need to check that. Thanks for showing that. We'll check that. Okay, same way. If 3 speakers இருக்க இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு யாருக்கா internet issue இருக்குன்னா spotlighting miss ஆச்சுன்னா problem ஆயிடும். So we'll make sure that maybe I will take this session where the 3 speakers are there. 1 speaker இருக்க இடம், 2 speaker இருக்கலாம். Based on your internet, I'll give you. So single speaker இருக்க இடம், not big issue at all. உங்களுக்கு நீங்க டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆனீங்கன்னா திரும்ப you can get connected, you can be in mobile data, அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்காது. Because you are not going to do any hosting work, you are going to just monitor it. அவ்வளவுதான். So this is 11:15 to 12:15. Now go to next page. Go to May 4th. we'll have something from 12:15 to 1:15, I guess, 12:30. Okay, again 15 minutes break. So everywhere we have relaxed time. Again, here social norm project 1, next attachment and early parenting 2, utilizing 3, principles of infant mental 4, artful 5, the cost of caring 6. அவ்வளவுதான். So again the same thing. So which means totally உங்க எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து 3 sessions தான் வருது. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour session. So totally all together பார்த்தீங்கன்னா your work time is 3 hours தான். But everywhere the backstage you will be half an hour before. In the session upon not half an hour before. As soon as the session is over, you are coming to backstage. 15 minutes on the 15 minutes you are going to do. So ideally you are joining at 8:15 or 8:45 something, whatever, until 1:30 you are there, and in between you have a lot of breaks. So this is the plan day 1. So go to day 2, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. So day 2 again, day 2 on the starting and I think we are there. 7:30 to 8:30 understanding 1. Second, teaching empathy. Third, multi-generational. Fourth is Sesame Street. Fifth is mental health. Sixth is Iowa 6 times. Okay, so the second day on the starting from 7:30. So which means your reporting time will be 7 o'clock. Everyone be at your respective backstage at 7. Simple, the same thing. The second day, I don't think any issues will be there. And first day, எல்லாருமே train ஆயிட்டு இருப்போம். So second day, it will go very smooth. So same way, you'll be in the backstage, you'll complete it 7:30 to 8:30, and the next session 8:45. அவ்வளவுதான், இது முடிச்சோடனே we'll come to the backstage. Sometimes I will say like sessionல இருக்கும்போதே client may say, okay, speaker has joined the next session backstage அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. But still we cannot do anything. You have to be very clear. Host cannot come out of the session. Speakers can move around. The speakers are attendees. Speakers கூட move பண்ண முடியாது until as long as they are on the stage. Host ஒரு செஷன்ல இருக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா until that session is over you cannot come. Example 9:30 தான் இந்த செஷன் முடியும்னா even by 8:30 I mean sorry 9:30 இல்ல 8:30 முடியுதா? What is the time it gets over? 7:30 to 8:30. Yeah, correct. So 8:15 they say like getting to calm down the speaker has joined அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்கன்னா we have to tell, I'll take care, you don't worry, but anyway you should know. I'll tell all the hosts are in the main stage. Session will get over at 8:30. Once it is over, we'll come to the backstage. நம்மளால வந்து அங்க move around பண்ண முடியாது, ஏன்னா we have to be in the stage and we cannot move out also. That you should understand. So 8:30 வந்தோனே within the 10 minutes we can test it, not a problem. So 8:45 will start. Again, how many session? 1, getting to calm, LGBTQ2, engaging fathers 3, state of older 4, supporting families 5. அவ்வளவுதான், இங்க வந்து 5 தான். Go again, let's cross check 5 or 6. Maybe I would have missed something. Getting to calm 1, being LGBT 2, engaging 3, state of older 4. So super. Inga 5 தான். அப்ப யாராவது ஒருத்தர் வந்து I can relieve. We will decide whom I will relieve there. So இது முடிஞ்சிச்சு. By 10:45 gets over. Next session, I mean 10:15. Next session 10:30 we are starting. So next we start at 10:30 to 11. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா again single session தான். அப்போ all others can relax. Then 11:15 to 12:15. How many things are going to come? 1, 2, 3, emotional 4, mental life 5, launching a mobile 6. அவ்வளவுதான். அப்போ இந்த 6 show me the timing. 11:15 to 12:15, like the previous day தான், அதே மாதிரி தான். அவ்வளவுதான். All the 6 will be there. Okay, go to next day. I think by 12:30 to 1:30, all the same. என்ன ஒண்ணே ஒன்று தானே. Okay, super. அவ்வளவுதான். அப்போ second day it's super for you. 12:15 your work is over, and again only one MC for the last session. அவ்வளவுதான். So now what I will do by tonight or latest by tomorrow morning, Excel, go to the V Excel, Shruti. You have kept it open? You haven't bookmarked it, huh? If you have not bookmarked, I'll send it in chat message. Open it. I've sent in chat.
No, it's done. It's done.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay, go to the Iowa. So I don't know if Kishore and Suganya are much aware of this Excel. In the Excel, we will client data maintain pandrom. It will be very easy. Now, as of now, I'll show Iowa, and after that, I'll show all of the things. Okay, inga vandu clear. We don't have the host column, Sudhi.
In this, we hadn't added.
Okay, now put the host column, co-host. As of now, let me fill it only for some partial things, so that. But finally, I will have discussion with Anjali and Sudhi, and I'll finalize it. Yaar enna resource and solid. Ellarkume discuss pannu. Now temporarily, let me fill it. Okay, 7:15 to 7:30 put RK. Host, co-host, any one is enough. Just put it in co-host itself. Go to co-host. Okay, fine. Host is fine. Okay, fine. Host is fine because I don't know if client is coming. Okay, RK 7:30 to 8:30 also RK. Okay, 8:45 ல ஆரம்பிச்சு எத்தனை இங்க? Okay, 6 இருக்கு. இங்க everything single only, right? Okay, start typing RK and then Anjali, Rupa, Shruti, Nandini, Kishore. Shruti only typing, right? You're typing your name itself.
Oh, it was spelling mistake.
Nandini, NANDHINI.
NAN?
DHINI. Instead of A, put it as HI. Okay, Kishore, perfect. Okay, just copy this from RK to Kishore, copy பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ because we'll be using the same somewhere. Copy மட்டும் பண்ணிக்க, don't paste until I say. Okay, 10:30 to 11, it's a single session, right? So again, put RK. So I'll put everywhere RK. Maybe afterwards we'll have discussion. I will give it to either Anjali or Shruti, whoever you want to take. We can also, that I can relax there in between any break. We'll discuss that later. As of now, let it be like this. Okay, again, paste it over here. Same color. Apply. Super. Done. Next year also, 6, right? Paste it. So now, as of now, let it be like this. And once I finalize it tomorrow morning and give it to you, I'll give the access for this Excel. So Kishore, you will take your timing alone. So inga vandu split panni unoda timing and separate Excel. For example, let's discuss about Kishore here. Go little up, Shruti. So Kishore enna timing la irukonu appadina. So first session is from 8:45 to 9:45. அப்புறம் the second session from 11:15 to 12:15, 12:30 to 1:13 போட்டுட்டு அதோட ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் டைம் ஒரு பக்கத்துல ஒரு காலம் போட்டு நீ ரெடியா வச்சுக்கணும். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த டைமிங்ஸ் யூ ஷுட் பி அவைலபிள் சொல்லிட்டு யூ ஷுட் பி கிளியர் வித் யுவர் செஷன். அது மாதிரி எவ்ரி ஒன் யூ வில் பி கிளியர் வித் யுவர் செஷன். வேர் இஸ் யுவர் எல்லாருமே காமன் தான். ஆக்சுவலி உங்க எல்லாருமே 6 பேருக்குமே வந்து சேம் திங் காமன் தான். செகண்ட் டே ஒன்லி இட் வில் டிஃபர் எ பிட், பட் ஸ்டில் ஐ வாண்ட் எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் யூ டு கீப் இட் வெரி கிளியர். ஓகே, கோ டு செகண்ட் டே. சேம் ஜஸ்ட் பேஸ்ட் இட் நெக்ஸ்ட் செஷன் காலம்ல அப்படியே பேஸ்ட். ஓகே, பர்ஃபெக்ட். And then 6 or 5 there. Somewhere is a 5 only, right?
Yeah.
How come your 6 is there? Okay, anyway, let's see. Okay, and the 10:30 to 11 session, put my name. Okay, so where is the 5 session? All are 6 session here.
Yeah.
It was on May 3rd, right?
May 3rd la 5 வந்தது. May second day la தான் 5 வந்ததுல.
Yeah.
But so maybe they would have made some change. We'll check, we'll cross check that.
I had copied from their agenda itself.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'll check because they would have also changed. Let me see that.
Yeah.
Okay, keep updating all those things. I'll tell you. Or else what you do, wait, I'll tell you. I'm opening it here so that I can read. Just give me a minute. In the meantime, if you have any other questions, you can ask. Maybe Anjali will answer. Yarka, other doubt? Kishore, Suganya, if you have any other doubt based on the agenda, what I've discussed, ask. In the meantime, I'm opening the sessions here. Doubt எதுவும் இல்லையா? Okay, Shruti, now, Shruti, I'll read, go to 8:45 p.m. session, second day. Okay, I'm not seeing this screen. Okay, I'm reading from my browser. I'll tell you the session name, just highlight them so that we know which session is missed. Okay, first I'll say getting to calm using trauma. Is it there? Put it, highlight it. Okay, very good. Being LGBTQ. And then engaging fathers. It's there, okay. The state of older youth. Supporting families. Okay, so which means when self-care isn't enough, it's not there in the agenda now. I will check what happened to that. Okay, so as of now, leave it. I'll check with the client. It's good that we have found out here, or maybe they would have moved. So once again, what you need to do, okay, after this call, Shruti, what you do, you alone take it. You just go to the agenda in the Airmeet and also this. Once again, cross check everything. Okay.
Sure.
You do that. I will also do it from my side in the midnight. That's it. So as of now, so this session is missing in the main event. So that's fine. Okay, you have put for all of this, right? You have completed the resource till the end. So last session, you have put my name, second day.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Last session. And okay, that's it. All of them. If in the Excel, I think it's not yet shared with Kishore or Suganyan. At the end of this call, I'll do that. You go to this, every panano abdina. Go to the first sheet, go to the top and click on serial number. So Kishore and Suganya, observe this, how we are using this Excel. Ella sheet mein top you'll have the serial number. Once you click that, it will take you to the main sheet, which is called as the all sheet. Inga pathina, go to top, Shruti. Top. Okay, here, first 13 are general sheets. Adukapra client sheet. For example, first is schedule, RK name include work timing. Main thing, you need not worry about any of those things there. Sheet name after that, starting from 17th row, scroll down to the, all those things are the client whom we have handled in Airmeet. Inga sila client I have added this only after the team was formed. Before these events, I hosted around 15 to 18 events. I have it in separate sheet. This is team event host pannirkom. So adula come to Bus Nation CMT Infosys Excelsior 45th row 28th client. Up to this we have completed. After that pending event Elemental Accelerator, Iowa knowledge graph. We are discussing about the Iowa knowledge graph. Parallax is over. NIHR. So all sheet next to go to client sheet. So wait before you go. Come to all sheet. In the client the client is pakkathula sheet. So now if you want to go to Iowa, click on the Iowa link. That's it. So ungalukkaga bayangara easy pannirukku. Shift switching between one screen to one sheet to another is easy. You click. Okay, or click pannone. It will come to this sheet. If in the sheet the back pona main sheet, again you'll go to the top order. So any sheet if you want to go, you click here, it will go to that sheet, and then if you want to come to the main sheet, you can click the serial number at the top. So now what we are going to see, client sheet. On another 5 minutes, I'll complete this overall session. After that, any doubts will clarify or else you can close. Okay, go to the main sheet. Okay, now click on the next sheet, client sheets. Bottom la vandittu. Okay, angiyum pannala kela vandittu. Okay, client. So idhula scroll down. Yellow we have already completed now. And Shruti, whatever has been completed now, put it in yellow also. Okay, the Parallax and Infosys Excelsior. So after that, we have that Elemental Accelerator. Who is the point of contact? So I'll read it out. Now, padika column. So based on Iowa, I'll explain. Date of inquiry. First column is 23rd, 4th. Date of inquiry. Inquiry 30th client. Client name is Iowa. Number of days is 2. Rendinal event. Shubhankar is a point of contact from Airmeet. Sometimes there will be second point also. Number of MCs needed 6 from our side. Timing on the namloda timing IST 7:15 to 1:30 first day. Second day 7:30 to 1:30. Adukapra day 5:30 and 5/4 May 3rd and 4th. Register sell 29th or 30th and the delete 29th should be. It happened on 30th. So as soon as I get the information, I'll update. We'll keep updating. Okay, next base column, go to last column. After 30th April, click right arrow. Information. Click on the 30th April, afterwards right arrow. I would have either given the event link. Okay, event link. That's dry run link. Google Meet meeting link. And sometimes client name also. So maximum information that will be helpful. And also community. If like Shruti, afterwards you can update this. You need to put all the email IDs here, like VSM1, VSM2, or if you want to do it now also put it VSM1, 2, 3, 4, VEE, CEP. All these 6. Just type it like how it is there in the top. Nothing type. No, wait. VSM1. So hereafter when I say VSM1, it means nothing but Airmeet VSM1. Space VSM2. Space VSM3. Update copy pannittu. And after VSM3, maybe give Alt Enter so that it comes as the second line. VSM4, VEE, CEP. So either login. So this one will make us very clear. For example, yesterday when I asked Anjali to log in on the dress rehearsal, login add. So once I confirm all this things,
VSM, what you want to have? VSM4.
And then VSM4 we have, and then VEE, CEP. VE is nothing but virtual event MC. CEP is nothing but Chennai Event Professionals. So now it is my duty or Shruti's duty to check whether in the login in the client add panyachaanu solittu. So how to do that? Shruti, what you'll do, Shruti or Anjali, if you are free, afterwards when you have time, you will log into all the Gmail. Before log into Gmail ID, you log into all the Airmeet. You will go to VSM1. As of now, VSM1 I have checked. It's clear. And Anjali checked one thing. Likewise, one of you take the responsibility, go to all the VE and CEP, Chennai Event Professionals. So VE and CEP, I will take care. VSM1 to VSM4, same username and password. So what you'll do, you'll go to the Airmeet, you'll check if this Iowa has added over there. If it is not added, what you will do, you will open the respective Gmail, you will search in the all mail and see if that has come. If it does not come, report to me either by today or tomorrow. I'll ask the client to add. They said already added and some of things are added. So the access one to know. So on the main day of the event, what I will do, I will be in VE login, Anjali will be in CEP login, and the rest of the 4 logins, login. So likewise, and okay, go to the next client. So this is with respect to Iowa. Likewise, I'll explain with one more client, with that it's over. Go to the beginning. Go to the knowledge graph. Okay, knowledge graph. If Adyan discuss, no, for knowledge graph, we need 4 BSM. As of now, tentatively, what I'm doing, I'm blocking myself, Anjali, Shruti, either Nandini or Rupa based on their availability. As of now, tentative, maybe we can discuss it tomorrow also. So knowledge graph, same way. Inquiry came on 27th April. Shubhankar, it's a 2 days event. 4 MCs are needed. Event date is 5th and 6th. And the timing on the I didn't know. So now maybe Shruti, if you have got the timing, you can update it. If you have it in the agenda, you can update the timing also. Okay, scroll then. And I think if you have been added to the community, then the event link. Put it in the S column. Go to S column.
Which column?
Same. On the sheet, go to S column. Go to client sheet. S column, event link. Allow the S35. Okay. S35. Okay, I didn't update any event link, dry run link, okay, so we need to check it and we need to update it here. So this is how we maintain the client database. Like enna event irukku, what are the other things have been solid. Now go to day wise sheet. So either we have a very good clarity. Scroll down. Come to April 30th. Okay, stop here. So let's discuss from April 30th. So April 29th, keep your mouse, Shruti. 29th. So first event was Parallax Dress Rehearsal. Myself and Shruti, we were there 5:30 to 8:20. And then we had the main event from 10:30 to 2:15 AM. There was a dress rehearsal. And your name change panna. Tamil Anjali. Take Rupa's name. Remove Rupa's name. 1:30 to 3:20. Okay. So this was there for 4:29 and 4:30 only myself and Shruti. Okay. If 5:1 and 5:2 no events. If now we'll go to 5:3. Iowa PCA conference 6 VSM 7:15 to 1:30 AM. Okay. Inga type the name after 1:30. Type all the names RK, Anjali, Shruti, Rupa, Nandini, Kishore. Idella vanda slash vanda. Okay, fine. Okay, portal tapilla. Nariya idam podam paata. RK, Anjali, Shruti, Kishore, Rupa, Nandini. Perfect. Same thing. Apply the copy pani next la put it. Just change the time alone for the next one. Or this is fine. So if either பார்க்கும்போதே நம்ம clarity கிடைச்சிரும். அன்னைக்கு என்னென்ன work நமக்கு இருக்கு. இப்போ பார்த்தோம்னா today and tomorrow we don't have any Airmeet work. And again on 3rd also morning we don't have any work. Maybe they may call for a client meeting. அப்படி கேட்கறாங்கன்னு போது what I will do, I'll put it in the second column and client meeting on the first column put it, so that it will be in the order. இதெல்லாம் you can use it for your other things also. It's not only for Airmeet. எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் நான் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன்னா, when you understand this Excel, you can use it to plan your own schedule. இப்போ Suganya, you are doing PhD work அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன work பண்ண போற, morning in the time and the work, afternoon in the work irukku. Adhe mari Shruti, if she is going to do official work or any other preparation work, Rupa work irukku, Anjali work irukku, Kishore irukku, ungaloda schedule edha mari pottingna உங்களுக்கு clear enna slot la timing availability. For example, if you take 29th edutha 5:30 to 8:20 I am blocked. Again 10:30 to 2:15 I am blocked. அப்படினும் போது in between I know, okay, from 8:30 to 10 o'clock I am free அப்படின்றது எனக்கு தெரியுது. Why you are changing?
The slot you were saying.
Okay, so இத மாதிரி நீங்க போடும்போது உங்களுக்கு எங்க உங்களுக்கு blank space இருக்கு, where are the timing இருக்கு, availability. For example, between me and Dr. Maharaja, this is how we have our call. எங்களோட schedule பார்த்துட்டு Dr. Maharaja says like, okay, tonight I like to have a call. என்னோட schedule பார்த்துட்டு I'll tell him 8:30 to 10 I am available. 10:30 எனக்கு event இருக்குன்னா you will also see schedule and say, okay, 8:30 to 10 I am available அப்படின்னா we will have a mutually convenient call. This is how we always communicate. ரெண்டு பேருமே எங்களோட schedule சொல்லிடுவோம், this is my available time அப்படின்ட்டா based on that we will fix. Most of the time ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் கால் மிஸ் ஆகிற ரீசனே அதுதான். They think that I am busy, I think that they are busy. We don't communicate at all. But when you have the schedule very clearly, for example, இங்க வந்து என்னோட physical event schedule போறேன். So as of now, you people will be knowing my official schedule பார்த்தீங்கன்னா when you say this, you can understand my schedule here. Apart from this, I have a lot of the personal meeting with airmate team அதெல்லாம். But major என்னோட schedule பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is what my schedule is all about. This is the timing I block. Okay, next IO பார்த்தாச்சு. And then 5, 5 and 5, 6 knowledge graph 4 VSM. இது வந்து Shruti, you will check the agenda and then update the timing here. And MC also, like as I said, RK, Anjali, Shruti, Nandini and Rupan and Anjime put it, then we will change it later. And 5, 19, 20 and 21 elemental X later, we need not worry about this. That is, we have a lot more time. So what I want the support from you all is, in the next 4 days, it's going to be very crucial. அதுவும் ஏன்னா எல்லாமே night event. And you people should be supportive. ஏன்னா நீங்க தூங்கக்கூடாது ஒன்று, ரெண்டாவது வந்து your family should support. Late nightல வந்து சவுண்ட் பிரச்சனை கிடையாது மேக்ஸிமம், since we are not MCs, only the backstage, அதனால ப்ராப்ளம் பெரிய லெவலில் கிடையாது. At the same time, not much disturbance. At the same time, family should support. Night இல்லை லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு படு இல்லை ஆஃப் பண்ண இதை பண்ண அப்படின்னு சொல்லாமல். And as much as possible, try to come on the video when you talk with the client. After that, you can turn off the video. It's not mandatory you have to be complete in the video. Or 5 minutes can the coordination that you can turn off the video. Come professionally. Blazer and the blazer putting in the formal shirt, formal shirt put the so that it's a profile for you. You take one selfie like how we have been doing regularly. And also screen capture panikanga. When you're talking to the client in the backstage, once everything is comfortable, take a screenshot. Backstage நீங்களும் client work like நான் day before yesterday எந்த ஸ்ருதி இதை நான் போட்டிருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி வந்து take a screenshot so that we will have it for your profile. So these are the basic things what we are going to do. So இப்போ இது ரிலேட்டடாக வந்து as of now I don't think any major training is needed. ஏன்னா technically I'm sure everyone, so except Kishore and Suganya, everyone you have the practical knowledge. So not to worry. Kishore, we will decide in the night or maybe tomorrow we will have one practical session. Nadula in the call, maybe our client time out they can drop off. Maybe Kishore is there. We'll have one practical session. Nothing. Mainly what we need to do is we need to understand the client. For a client, language, English, but we don't know. 80% of the client's language we can understand. 10 to 20% sometimes high level accented English.
Can I add one thing here? Like now, if we have any difficulty at any point of time, we have an option named as closed caption. So if we switch on that, we will be able to know, like now it will transcribe whatever the client is telling. So at some point of time when I am not able to understand whatever the client is telling, I used to use this option and it really works. It will really help. Yeah.
Super. So we'll do that. Even I have never tried that. Actually, though I know that I might try that. Maybe this time we'll try those things. That's a good idea. Actually, first time and all, when it worked the last month, I think it was not accurate. But 2 days back, I was doing that. It worked. It was nice. And that's a good idea. We'll start using it. And when we speak to the client, and if the client says, and that's one important advice I like to say, whenever you talk to client and the client says, I don't understand, talk slowly or something, then please reduce your speed. Or you can be very slow, also reduce your speed and talk, client will understand. So for people like me, Anjali and all, that's a big advice, especially for me. Like sometimes when we talk, and also especially when you get some old people from the foreigners, we have to be very, very slow. At least youngsters, little bit, they will understand. Old people, they will understand, but they will not have the patience to listen to us. Like 2 days back, myself and Anjali, we had a very tough time with that one old person in the dry run. But finally, client agreed that like she will take a one-to-one with him because he was not understanding anything. Even when the client explained, he was not understanding. So she said she'll take him offline, or else they'll be putting the blame on us. See, people are not understanding. For example, in knowledge graph, I don't know how many of you attended that briefing. Knowledge graph client particularly asked, will they speak English? Like Shubhankur was telling the client, our team will not support you on the content wise. We are not subject matter expert, but technically we'll support. Immediately the next question she was, how are they good at English? Are they good at English? That was the next question. So we said, yeah, we all are good at English, so don't worry. So likewise, client will have all those things, but don't worry, we'll take care. All of us are well trained, nothing to worry about this. And the client pays and I have a client, they're very sweet, so not to worry. So these are the basic things I want to tell you. Now, Shruti, you can stop the screen share. Kishore, you do the screen share. Next 5 minutes, I will stop with Kishore, and after that, whoever wants to drop off, if you have any final question, you can ask and leave, or else next 10-15 minutes, I'll finish it for Kishore. You can stop screen share, Shruti, and Kishore, you do your screen share.